Welcome back, traders, to another episode of How to Trade on ChartsEmpire Trade Institute. And today is the daily live market analysis. You're all welcome to the channel. You're all welcome. This is the 23rd of October, year 2023. So today I am going to walk you guys through some currencies, assets I have on my watch list. And as usual, you guys can ask questions through the live chat box, right? You guys can ask a question through the live chat box. If you are joining for the first time, if you are joining this live stream for the first time, you are welcome. And then do not forget to subscribe to the channel, share and like this video. You can also suggest any asset you want us to analyze or any topic, any topic you want us to talk about, right? So this week I have a different asset on my watch list, ranging from the forex, stocks, indices, commodities, and the cryptocurrency market. So if you are yet to join the Telegram channel, that is the ChartsEmpire Telegram channel, kindly do so through the link in the description of this video. Doing that will give you the opportunity to access more free content which are not displayed on this YouTube channel, and then for you to get a quick, fast updates in the market. Daily, I release market setup ideas, which most of you guys call trading signals, in my Telegram channel. So you can get access to the Telegram channel through the link in the description of this video, right? So as usual, remember you guys can always comment, suggest any asset you want us to analyze through the live chat box. Okay, thank you. And then don't forget to like this live stream. Please share this live stream. So let's start from the foreign exchange market. And let's start from the GU. That is the British pound sterling USD. Let's start from the British pound sterling USD. So as a price action trader, you all know I trade raw price action, and I'm a swing trader. Sometimes I can decide to day trade. It all depends on what I can see on the price chart. But most of the time I do day trade on a different account, or especially for traders who are in my Telegram or channel. Because I'm a swing trader doesn't mean every trader have to trade according to my own trading strategy. Of course, we have different trading strategy in the market. We have scalpers, day trading, swing trading, position trading. What really matters most is you need to understand yourself before you choose any trading methodology, right? So if you want to be a scalper, know what it takes to be a scalper, and be disciplined as well. If you want to be a day trader, swing trader, position trader, know what it takes to be successful depending on the trading methodology you decide to capitalize on. So as a swing trader, as a position trader, I tend to hold my trade for a long time. So I told you guys in the Telegram channel over the weekend that I have some active trade which I'm still holding on to. Those are trades in the index market. I have a lot of trade setup I sent out in the Telegram group last week, like Dow Jones Industrial Index, and I have the S&P 500 index. I have other assets as well, Euro USD. So these are some of the assets I am currently holding on for based on the long-term investment goals. As well, we closed some day trading setup last week, which was in profit. And then congratulations to the members in the Telegram channel. It was profitable. It has been consecutive profitable weeks for us right from when I started this program, since on the 22nd of September last month. And then I'll be keeping track of our trading activities track record, and in this live stream I'm going to show you guys the track record. All right, so first let's talk about the GBP USD. What are my views, what are my expectations on GBP USD? In the last analysis I gave you guys, I said the GBP USD is in a downtrend, and then we haven't yet seen a change of the trend. The market is in a downtrend, as you can see right from the higher high swing right here all the way down. Price are being in a bearish flow rally. However, we can see a potential weakness of sales sentiment right here. So this is why I stated traders need to pay attention to this market at this medium right here. Anyways, market is still in a state of indecision right here. You can tag this medium as an accumulation period, whereby buyers are trying to open the little small position to keep on adding to their position as the trend keep on become more open up. So Based on this medium right here, I think as a short-term trader, this is not the right time for you to buy right here. So if you really want to buy based as a day trader, I think it's better you look out for a breakout of this descending channel, which I'll be running right from the high of the 17th of July 2023 all the way down to the swing lower low on the 5th of October 2023, right? So all the way down we can see our price try to test this swing lower low, but our price is somehow giving us a kind of a higher low structure right here, but this higher low structure doesn't swing up a lot. So based on this factor, price could give us a double bottom price pattern right here. So I'm still patiently monitoring this asset right here, although some aggressive traders could have implemented an aggressive buy entry right here. So if you are implementing an aggressive buy entry right here, I think you should reduce your position size, because the trend is still down, and then if you are trying to buy right here, it means you are trying to get into this market at a very early stage. And then if you are trying to get into a market at a very early stage right here, then you have to reduce your position, because the market hasn't yet shown us that the market structure has been changed. So which means you are just getting it at a very early stage, and then you are still carrying a lot of risk on your side, which means your probability right here for the trade to go into a bullish rally is still kind of a low, right? So this is why you have to be very careful right here. Anyways, if you are going to buy right here, I think the best zone to have your stop loss should be at the low of this doji candlestick right here. So which means if price can gravitate down below the low of this doji candlestick right here, that would signify the downtrend still continues further. Anyways, I am not exercising any bullish position or any buy position on the GBP USD right now. I still want to figure out how price is going to react to this downtrend channel and the resistance structure, which acts at the price of the 1.23105, which is the resistance structure right here, and then we had it as a support structure right here. So not until price can break this resistance structure right here, not until then we can't yet see the market trend or the market structure as straight. Not only until price can break this structure right here, that is when we can have an idea that yes, the market structure from the downtrend has changed. Now market is trying to gravitate into the bullish trend, right? So this is where I'm very careful on buying or longing the GBP USD. Like I said earlier, if you want to make an aggressive entry right here, if you want to make an early entry right here, reduce your position size, because the market is in a downtrend. So this is my view on GBP USD. But anyways, right here, what I can see right here, I still have a much belief on the bullish sentiment on this currency pair. So you guys can comment your view, your opinions in the live chat section, right? Let me know about your views about this currency pair. Now next, let's move to the to the Euro USD. Euro USD, I showed you guys, I so much like this pattern formation right here, and then I have exercised a long position right from last week, and I added to my buy position again this morning, and I shared with you guys how I added to my buy position on the Euro USD in my Telegram channel, and then I as well sent out the image how I got in a buy entry last week. So I have two positions right now on the Euro USD. I'm trying to scale up, but take note, I executed a very small position size, that is very small percentage ratio on my trading account, because I'm trying to implement the aggressive entry right here, which means I'm trying to get in at a very early stage, even though the market structure has not yet changed right there in this trend. So as you can see right from the higher high swing right here, price have been gravitating down in a bearish rally. So I'm trying to take the early entry based on the channel pattern we got right here, and then I can figure out a potential rising double bottom. This is a rising double bottom right here. So I'm trying to take the second low of this rising bottom up. So as I stated, guys, I will be looking to add more to my position once price can break the resistance structure, which acts at the price of the 1.06353. You can see this is a resistance structure right there. Likewise, it is a support structure right there. The reason why I am not comfortable to buy the GBP USD is for the fact that I can see that the Euro USD has a more strong technical factors based on my trading strategy when compared to GBP USD. So this is why I diverted my attention to trade the Euro USD instead of the GBP USD. And I kind of like the structure, the patterns, the play out right here. So this is why I am looking out for a long entry. Already I have a long entry on the Euro USD. And as you can see, I had my stop loss at the low structure of the 1.05194. I made an entry right here. Last week I added an entry again today, Monday, which is on the 23rd of October 2023. I'm gonna update you guys how this trade proceed. Maybe it's gonna be a losing trade or a winning trade. So as the trend proceed further on this trade rally right here, I'll be looking out to add to my position once I can see a bullish breakout and a retest right here. But take note, before I'm going to add to my buy setup right here, I have to see a strong technical signal to prove that yes, this broken resistance structure right here is now a new potential support for price before I can add to my buy position. And then if price should play out according to my expectation, that would be a 3 positions opened on the Euro USD. So I want to see a strong bullish breakout on the Euro USD. I want to see a strong bullish breakout. Take note, for a pattern to be confirmed, it needs to be accompanied by a strong breakout, price action. So if I can see a breakout, a sharp rejection, retest up, then I'll be willing to add to my buy position on Euro USD. Alternatively, if the price should gravitate down and then close below the structure right here today, which is on the Monday, or if price should do that at any time and then close below this lower, that is the upper band of this channel right here, price could still gravitate down to test this lower channel. And then if this lower channel of this rising channel right here failed to hold as support, then don't be surprised if the price of Euro USD still tests the major support structure at the price of the 1.04927. So anything could happen, anything can happen right here, and this is why you need to calculate your risk before you open any position in the market. Since trading is all about game of probability, you need to always find a way to stack the odds in your favor. The more confluence factors you can have supporting your trading decisions, then I think that is the best so that is the best way to trade. Look out for more confluence factors, more probability supporting your trading or anticipation, right? So I'm still supporting a bullish bias on Euro USD, right? And next again, I have the GBP Japanese yen. Let's go through that. But before I proceed to GBP Japanese yen, let's switch to the Australian dollar paired against the USD. For those of you guys who are maybe trading this asset or focusing on this asset, or maybe you are looking out for trade setup right here, let's see what we have on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. Based on the daily chart right here, I don't actually like this setup we have on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. It's kind of a very choppy kind of a market for me, so I don't like to trade this kind of a market right there. So this is why I have no interest on the Australian dollar paired against the USD. Instead of that, I focus my attention on the GBP USD and the Euro USD, right? So I don't have anything to play out or to which could interest my attention on Australian USD. But anyways, I still have my eyes on this asset because it's one of the major currency pairs. So New Zealand USD, let's check out what is going on New Zealand USD. Likewise, I don't so much like the price pattern right there. Even though the price is in a downtrend, I don't just kind of like this pattern structure right there. This does like a rangy market medium with a combination of a choppy market structure. So I am not so much interested in this asset. I want to see markets that has opened a technical setup, easy technical setup, right? So I don't want to get myself involved in a very complex market structure, right? So let's check out other currency pairs. USD Canadian dollar, I still support a bullish bias on USD Canada, but this pattern right there is not according to my own trading strategy. So I don't want to buy high, no, without any strong technical reason. I'll be looking out if price could offer a pullback to this rising trend line right there. Maybe we could figure out the potential buy opportunity. But at the moment right now, I have nothing realistic on USD Canada based on my own personal trading strategy, right? You guys can comment if you have any things or any setup or any idea on this currency pair. But based on my own personal trading strategy, I cannot see anything realistic right here. So let's go to the USD Japanese yen. The USD Japanese yen is still in its strong bullish aggressive rally. So it's still going up, but there is a kind of a weakness in bullish momentum right here. You can see the structure right here. We kind of have overlapping of candlestick right here, and there isn't much buy volume right there. So there could be a sudden price reversal down. So I still have my eyes on this currency pairs to see what the bulls and the bears are going to do right here, right? And the USD switched as well. We have price gravitating a downtrend, but the pattern we got right here, I don't so much like this structure. So based on what we have in this downtrend, we can see the market structure right from this low high swing right here, which was a retest of the double top structure we had right here. This is the first top and the second top. This is the top one, and right here we have it as top two. We have the neckline structure, rejection down, and then we have another low structure right here. We got a low high right here, and then we got a low high structure right here. We got a lower low structure right here, lower low structure right here, and then this is a new higher high structure right here. You can see now price is going lower again to this lower low structure right there. So I am very careful right there. I don't want to buy or sell right there because the market structure we have right here is kind of in a complex situation. So in a market that has a complex market structure, I don't want to get myself involved in that type of market structures. Okay, I'm only interested in a market that offers simple features. So right here, what I'm looking out for is, let's see how price is going to react to the support structure right here. Maybe price is going to give us like an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. So if market can offer that, we could have this pattern gravitate down like this. So this could be an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern. And if that should occur, that means we could have something like this. We could have like an inverted pattern, which would be like an inverted head and shoulder. So this is the view right here. Let's get this from this structure all the way down. We have it. You can see that. So I'll be looking out to see how price is going to react at the price of the 0.8823. Maybe it's going to serve as an inverted head and shoulder for rejection of price to the upside. And then if this pattern can occur on the USD switch, this would be on a long-term objective goals, because the bigger the chart pattern, the more the price chart or the chart pattern tends to move, right? So this is why I have my eyes on this currency pairs. I want to monitor this currency pairs based on a long-term objective goal. That is my view on the USD switch. Right now, let's check out the other currency pair. We have the USD yuan is still in an uptrend, still going up. We have the USD Singaporean dollar. There's a weakness of buy sentiment right here. This pattern right here could result into a double top, but I'm still monitoring this asset. And let's check the South African rand, kind of a choppy market. Let's check the British pound sterling Japanese yen. So now on the British pound sterling Japanese yen, I already gave analysis on this asset yesterday on a live stream I held on the TikTok profile, on my TikTok profile. And then I shared with you guys what I am looking out for on the British pound sterling Japanese yen, how I'm going to approach this asset. So for those of you guys who are currently looking out for trade opportunity on these currency pairs, I think this is what you need to do. So based on the GBP yen, we have a kind of a potential upright head and shoulder chart patterns right here. And Let's get this off. So right here we have a potential left shoulder, we have the potential head structure right here, and we have the potential right shoulder right here, and we have the neckline structure right here. So what I'm looking out for is how price is going to react to this neckline structure. Is it going to break down with a massive bearish candlestick bar, or is it going to reverse up again to still fill up this right shoulder section right here? So this is why I have my eyes is on this currency pair. So I am currently having this asset on my watch list to see how price is going to perform, right? And let's go to the New Zealand Japanese yen. What do we have on New Zealand Japanese yen? The New Zealand Japanese yen as well tends to be forming a pattern which could be referred to as a double top pattern in an uptrend. This is the first top right here. We have the second top, and we have the neckline structure. So I'm still monitoring this asset to see how it's going to react to the support structure of the 85.794 this week. So this is the New Zealand paired against the Japanese yen. You can see that. So this is what I have on this asset. So let's move to the other asset. We have the Canadian Japanese yen, and then I have the Canadian Japanese yen as well on my watch list. I am looking out for trade opportunity on this asset this week. We have a rising narrow wedge. You can see the transformation right from the swing right here all the way up. So let's see how price is going to react this week in this narrow wedge, right? The other asset right here is the Swiss Japanese yen, still in a bullish rally. S&P 500, yes, I have an active sell position on S&P 500, and I shared this with traders in my community, how I got this trade set up right here. So I still support a more bearish bias on the S&P 500, but take note, we have a potential support structure which acts at the price level of the 4,174.8. So that is the index market. I also have an active sell position on it on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, right? So let's go to the commodity market. That is gold, silver, palladium, US oil, natural gas, copper. Let's see what we have right there. Let's go through gold. In the live stream I held on my TikTok account on Thursday, I share with you guys how this level of the 1,988 has the probability to act as a resistance structure. Well, this level is still acting as a resistance structure from the price, so I'm going to keep on monitoring how price reacts to this level. Maybe price is going to give us another top for a sell right here. So this is what I'm looking out for on the gold. That is my view on gold. So I have the gold on my watch list in the commodity market. If you want to see how I'm going to trade this asset, you can just check it out in my Telegram channel. I'm going to approach these currency pairs right here. Okay, so the gold, I'm still looking out for opportunity if we can find a sell setup right here. Right, great. So let's check out. Next we have the silver. Silver as well is an asset I have on my watch list. So I'm currently monitoring to see how price is going to react on this currency pair on silver. I'm monitoring silver to see what it has to offer us. Whatever I'm going to do on this asset, I'm going to share with you guys in my Telegram channel. So if you're not yet in my Telegram channel, use the link in the description of this video to get access to the Telegram channel. So this is what we have on the silver. You can see a bigger rising channel has been broken, and then currently price is retesting this structure. So let's see, maybe price is gonna find a massive bearish rejection to the downside. So this is my view right here. I want to see how price will react to this level structure right here. And the application of my Fibonacci retracement tool right from the peak structure right here all the way down to the low structure right here aligns to the current price market. The current market price level aligns to the 0.618 golden rule Fibonacci retracement tool. So Right here, I am constantly looking out to see how price is going to react, because what we had right here is still in a downswing. We still have a downswing right here. We have high right here. We have a low high swing right here. We have a repetition of a low high swing. We still have a repetition of a low high swing. We still have a resistance structure right there. So let's see how price is going to react down. Right, so I have the silver as well on my watch list. I'm going to share with you guys traders. I'm going to share with traders how I'm going to approach this asset. Maybe it's going to be a buy or sell opportunity. Okay, good. But take note, if you want to sell the silver, take note there is a demand structure right here. That is at the price of the 22.6/22.2. You can see that we have a demand structure right here. So this demand structure could still act as a point of hindrance for the sell setup if we can have a sell setup right here. So if you want to take this trade right here, I think you have to execute a small position size. Alternatively, you could divert your attention to other currency pairs or to other commodities markets such as gold. Right? Good. So let's check out other market. You guys can as well comment any assets you want us to analyze in the live daily market analysis. So let's check through the oil market. Let's go to the oil market. Oil market. I told you guys I still have an active sell position on natural gas. I told you the natural gas trade is still on. Let's see, I made another sell entry. And based on the US oil, let's check out US oil. This is the WTI US oil. Let's check it out right here. Price is still retesting the broken channel. You can see that price is still retesting this channel right here. This channel is still acting as a resistance structure. So what I'm gonna do right here now is I'm gonna try to apply my Fibonacci retracement tools to see how this level is to the Fibonacci retracement tool. So this level right here is currently the 0.618. So this is why I am focusing my attention on this structure. I want to see how this structure is going to react to price. And then I'll be looking out for what price is going to offer on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, we have another trend line, which is a narrow rising wedge. You can see that. So this is what I have. So let's see how price is going to react to this level. Maybe we're going to have a bullish flow to the key level structure right here, and then a rejection down. So this is my view on the US oil. Anyhow, I'm going to take this trade. I will always share with you guys in the Telegram channel. So as you all know, I don't like to give too long market analysis. So I just want to keep things too short and simple. So these are the assets I have in the commodity market. As well, I have other assets in the stock market. I have the stock of Apple, Tesla, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Nvidia, Meta, and Shopify. I will share my trade setup, my trade entry with traders in my Telegram channel. So if you are yet not in my Telegram channel, kindly use the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel. I will give update about my stock position entry, sell and buy setup in the Telegram channel, and as well for cryptocurrencies. All right, guys, this is all I have for you today in this live stream. Thank you, guys. If you have any question, you can ask question through the live chat section. You can ask question through the live chat section, right? If you have any question, ask me question before we put an end to the live stream, right? Ask questions. If you have any questions in relation to this analysis, ask your questions, okay? Waiting for you guys. Waiting for you guys for your questions, and we need questions and suggestions. Right? So I believe we are all satisfied with the analysis, and there are no questions. In case you have any question, you can always check me out in the Telegram channel. So guys, I wish you profitable trading this week. Don't forget, tomorrow we are going to be live here once again, 12 p.m. every day from Monday to Friday, right? Take care, and then make sure you have a stop loss in place and they don't risk more than the amount you cannot afford to lose. Thank you.